In this SoundCheck video tip, I'll demonstrate some of the lesser-known features of the Signal Generator virtual instrument. Many front panel features are obvious, like the signal type drop-down selections, level and frequency fields, signal path selections, and the sample rate selector. But let's explore some hidden features. Did you know that you can increment the frequency and level values from your keyboard? Pressing the F8 function key highlights the level field. Press it again, and it highlights the frequency field. On the level field, the page up and page down keys increment the level in 1 dB steps. Press F8 again to move to the frequency field. Page up and page down increment the frequency in 1/24th octave steps. You can set the maximum and minimum output levels and frequencies using these sliders to limit the range of the signal path. This stops you from damaging your speaker with too much voltage or a frequency outside of its passband. Frequency and level can also be controlled using a USB knob, such as this DROC knob. Here's another neat trick. Right-click on the frequency numeric field to instantly set a 1 kHz frequency. You can also save and favorite specific frequencies. You can see that I've already saved 345 and 550 Hz. If I now want to add 268 Hz, I can just add it and it's now available in the list. You can also quickly access standard octave frequencies based on the ISO preferred frequencies. When I change the signal type to noise, the interface changes. You can control the minimum and maximum frequency of the noise, and this checkbox inverts the signal phase by 180 degrees. You can also apply equalization if it's available on your signal path by checking the EQ checkbox. The noise frequency resolution defaults to 1 Hz, and you can play it continuously for a specific duration or a set number of times. For waveform playback, the interface shows both peak and RMS values. If we load a multi-channel wave file, we can select any channel and get additional information, such as whether it's mono, stereo, or multi-channel, along with the sample rate and bit depth. Also, note the play, start, and end control that allows you to play a portion of a wave file or waveform. At the bottom, there are controls for saving settings so that your configurations can be recalled at any time. You can set your favorite configuration as the default, so the generator always opens with these settings, and use the Save to Memory button to save the current generator level into the memory list for easy recall. Lastly, you can minimize or expand the generator, which is useful when you are using multiple generators and need to save screen space. That's a quick demo of some of the lesser-known features of the Signal Generator. I hope you learned something new today.